Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. Pay attention. That's better. That's pretty good. Okay, let's talk about new Trek. 5 different productions I'm going to talk about in this video. The first 2 are cartoons. Okay, you got that? We have Lower Decks. Now that is just a straight up cartoon show. Fun to watch. It's funny. Think of it as Star Trek meets Looney Tunes. Okay? Next we have Prodigy. Parental warning, you may not want your kids to listen for the next few minutes. Okay, they're out of the room? All right. Prodigy, we have Anime Trek. And I've identified quite a bit of anime themes, memes, characterizations, and activities. Okay. First of all, the captain, the young punk captain with the little curl of hair that won't go back with. Well, that's in Japanese cartoons, that's the bad boy. Setting things on fire, pissing in the soup, seducing the widow next door. Bad boy. Okay. There's all kinds of other characters in it. All kinds of monsters. Pokemon and all kinds of other anime monsters. Speaking of monsters, they have a tendril monster. You really should send them out of the room now. Come on, send them. Go, 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 go. They have a tendril monster, and it engulfs and has its way with the plus size female character. And when they rip the vines away to free her, she's enjoying. Do you know what the tendril monster and the tentacle monster and all those other monsters do? Yeah. Oh. Oh, in preparation. See, we got Paramount Plus. And I knew I wanted to watch Strange New Worlds. I knew I would like it. I said in another video quite a while ago, Strange New Worlds is the Trek we deserve. It's the Trek we've been deserving. It is good Trek. And it's going to get better. Yes, it is. I'll get back to that. Next in live action, we have Discovery. When CBS first put the first episode on free TV, here, look at this, and come to our pay station, and I said, no way. They're trying to kill the franchise. And so far, they've done everything possible to kill the Trek franchise. First of all, no continuity. No continuity. No one is keeping track of who did what and when. I give CBS credit for using all of the less included actors, the LGBTQ question mark plus 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 of different love styles. They seem to have them all in this production.
Gay, straight, lesbian,
I
transgender.
just found out today that the actor who used to be plugging into the spore drive, is the one who said, Kevin Spacey raped me when I was 14. I don't know. All I know is Kevin Spacey was let off today, but he's got other trials. I'm pretty sure England's going to stick it to him. Yeah, they'll give him some anal love with a chainsaw. Perhaps. I mean, after, various things of people in Britain have been doing that are wrong, they'll probably make an example of Spacey. Anyway, the writing. Okay, now I'll get to the writing. The talent. A lot of beautiful people. All great people. And they seem to do really good jobs playing their part. Uh, what was it? Cadet, what's her name? The large sized girl with the red hair. Last I looked, she's a commander now. She really grew her character. Uh, I've seen the lead character, um, Michael. Yeah, Michael, go through a hell of a lot. Um, I don't know what to think about that tall guy with weird feet. I mean, that's straight out of the old Star Trek cartoons back in the 60s and early 70s when they had a Stark bridge crew, a Stark character on the bridge crew. The main problem with Discovery, writing. You've heard 100 monkeys and 100 typewriters and you'll get Shakespeare. Well, obviously CBS said, well, we'll go better than that. 1,000 monkeys, 1,000 word processors, 17 different combinations of drugs they have the monkeys on. And you know how monkeys use, you know what a monkey post-it note is, don't you? Think real hard. What do monkeys throw? Oh, that hurt. Okay. Next, Picard. I don't know. Do you vomit when you have ptomaine poisoning? Because Picard is a puddle of puke that was half rotten meat scavenged off the street. Roadkill. No. The last one, Strange New Worlds. Anson Mount is doing a fantastic job playing Christopher Pike. He has the presence of a starship captain. I watched him when he was Cullen Bohannon, and I saw the character development and the shit they put Anson Mount through. Now, that man has a broad capability in his acting, wide range. He's really good at the powerful, authoritative type. Like I said, Starship Captain. The writing's good. They haven't gone totally bonker bizarre like Discovery did. You seen all this shit they did on Discovery? 1,000 monkeys, 1,000 word processors, different combinations of drugs. Now, some may disagree with my assessment. I don't care. I'm right. And as soon as you admit it and join in, you'll be right too. Okay, now, like I said, I started watching Strange New Worlds. I liked it. And, well, you know, it was paid for. I could watch Lower Decks. It was funny. I liked it. And I watched Picard. That's why I'm anesthetizing myself. That and Discovery. Anyway, in preparation, I watched Strange New Worlds. Then I watched Lower Decks. Then I watched Discovery. Picard. Then I watched Prodigy. I just finished Discovery. That's 5 days of my life I won't get back. So you should thank me. I prematurely aged myself so I can tell you, don't watch Picard. If you like continuity or good stories, don't watch Discovery. If you like anything good other than the actors on the screen, what they do and why they do it, and the technology, shake it off. Yeah, so I'm going to say good night in California. Watch some good TV.